So in case you haven't seen, Snapchat has jumped on the AI train because now you can talk to your AI friend in Snapchat, just like you would talk to any of your other real friends. And my first thought when I saw this was why? Like, I get that it's an experimental feature, but it feels like they really rushed this just to get on the train of what is relevant and current right now. And so from a product standpoint, I was thinking, is it better to just jump on something because it is a trend and it is relevant and maybe you don't really have a good application of it? Is it better to spend that time, effort, and money just getting onto it quickly, learning from it, experimenting with it, and hopefully getting to a better product use case, feature, decision, experience, as a result of that very fast experimentation? Or is it just better to wait? Like, wait until you actually find a good way to integrate this into your product in a way that's meaningful and in a way that makes sense? Because it feels like they really rushed this. It's getting quite a bit of negative feedback because of some of the controversial and questionable conversations the very young users of Snapchat can have with this AI. But I guess my question here that I wanted to pose to anyone watching, if you do work in product or the tech world, is how do you decide when it's important to jump on something because it's relevant and give your business and product exposure to that versus waiting it out, spending some time doing the proper research and discovery and planning to actually implement it in a meaningful way?